Hey guys, I hope y'all all had a great spring break. I wanted to welcome you to my house to do our lesson today. We're going to be reviewing two-syllable words. Before spring break, we talked about our new two-syllable words having closed syllable parts to them, okay? So we're going to look at this word that I've written on my board called Batman. Now y'all practiced writing this a couple weeks ago, so this will be an easy review. Now when we're looking at the word, if we were trying to read it for the first time, what we can do is find the double consonants and we can divide our word in half right there for reading it. So we have the T and the M, so let's break it apart, and first we'll read bat and then we'll switch and read man. So when we would mark that, we would underline our first closed syllable and mark it with a C, and then we'd underline our second closed syllable and mark it with a C. And then we can also give them our breves because they're short vowels. And that's how we can easily read the word Batman, because we've divided it in between our two consonants. Okay, so now we're going to review hearing one and writing it. So when you hear it, you have to break the word apart into its two syllables. Okay, remember those are two pushes of breath that we would do. So let's take the word basket. Okay, so we have basket. Okay, so we're going to write the first one first. Well, I'm sorry, basket. Okay, so we have Okay, so we have our first syllable, bass, our second syllable, ket, and it's a closed, and we can give it our breves. Now, if you're writing it and you did a double S, that, I get where you're going, but that would have been only if it was at the end of the word. Remember, our double S's are only at the end, and the k is a K, because K gets I and E, C gets the other three. Okay, so we have basket. All right, so now let's try a couple of more, and then I'm going to give you some to do dictation for yourself. All right, so let's look at the word bed bug. Okay, bed bug. So we'll write that first. Bug. Okay, so we have our first syllable, our second syllable, and then we could mark them the same way, but for the sake of time, I'm going to move on. All right, now let's try this one. Mascot, like a team mascot. Mass, same with this one, since the S isn't at the end, it's only going to be one S. Cot, k-ot. Now it's the opposite, it's a C, because C gets the other three vowels. And then we could scoop our consonants just like that. And let's try one more. How about exam? Okay, I kind of broke it apart for you first. Am. Okay, so that's how we can break it apart into our two syllables. Now, today, I want you to write these three words on your dictation paper for the review words, okay? The first word I want you to write is tip-top, okay? Tip-top. The second one is invent. And the third one is undid. Again, those will go on your dictation page that's attached with the worksheets. Thanks, guys. See you later.